Namaste everyone. Welcome to this daily yoga session by Yogway. Let's start with centralizing the breath. Bringing to ourselves before starting a yoga session is important because being with the breath during the session is the key to cultivate true benefit of yoga. Sit tall, close your eyes, hands resting on the knees. One deep inhale and exhale through mouth. Inhale. Breathe normally. Now we will move for Dirgha Pranayama. 7 counts inhale and 7 counts exhale. I'll count for you. Inhale, exhale, start. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, exhale. Relax yourself. Stay here with your breath. Bring both the hands to Gyan Mudra. And let's chant one Om to begin the session. Inhale. Bring both the hands in Pranam Mudra. Bow your head down and set an intention for today's yoga class. Promise yourself to be on the mat during the session and be with your breath during the asanas. Very gently rub your palms. Apply the heat generated on your eyes and open the eyes, looking towards the floor in front of you very slowly. Let's start with the warm-up. Today we are going to work on side hip opening. Hip opening has its own importance and it is very crucial to practice at least once every week. So, considering the importance of hip opening in yoga, today's session will be dedicated to side hip opening and tomorrow's session will be on front hip opening, so that lower back and hip area will be relaxed and we will be more focused and calm. Let's start with warm up. Both the hands on the sides. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, hands down, chin to chest. 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. When you are up, stretch your body. It is like someone is holding you from the top and stretching your body. Exhale down. Last 4. 3, 2, 1. Side bending. Now today we are not holding, more focus will be on hip opening. So place your left forearm on the left side, right arm is straight, bend your body to the left side. Stretch entire right side of the body and your right knee and right hip should be on the mat. Exhale to center, inhale to other side. Keep moving. Exhale center, inhale to the side. 2, 3. Your gaze should be forward and your upper arm should be aligned with the ear. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And next we'll be twisting, holding your right knee with left hand, twist back. Keep your spine tall, chest out, and breathe through your belly. And hold. 3 breaths. Release to center, holding other side. Release to the center. And let's start with cat cow. Come on your all fours, equal distance between your hands and your knees. And there is a nice rectangle. Inhale, drop the belly, look up. Exhale, round the spine, head between the arms. I want you to close your eyes and be with the sensation of movement of your spine. 2. Inhale up. Exhale, head down. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Come to the center, and now from here we will move for some wrist conditioning. So inhale, shift your weight forward. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, back. Inhale, again move forward. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, back. One last time. Inhale, hold. You can take your feet off the mat. Last 2, 1. Release. Very nice. And now next will be tiger movement. Inhale, right leg up, look up. Keep the knee bent at 90-degree angle and toe will be pointed. Exhale, knee to forehead. 1. Move very slow. 2. 1 last time, up and hold. Take your thigh, knee up and be with the sensation and movement from your hip area. Exhale, knee to forehead and hold. Release. Let's switch the side. Inhale, left leg up, look up, knee bent, toe pointed. Exhale, knee to forehead. Be flow with the movement. Two. Lift up and hold. Knee to forehead and hold. Release to the center. And now a very small hold for activation of core and generating of heat in the body. It is hovering cat cow. Keep your fingertips and hands strong on the mat. Tuck your toes and take your knees off the mat, just 2 inches away off the mat, and gaze will be between the hands. Hold here. Keep your core engaged, ribs in, and spine position is cat position. Last 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release and come to Vajrasana and relax here. If you want to relax in child pose, you can relax there also. Now we are fully warm up from the thighs and from the core area, shoulders and your arms and wrist also. You must be feeling that strength and heat in the body. Stay here, breathe here, relax your breath. Okay. Come front to the tabletop, and now moving for the hip moves. Okay. Right knee up to the side. Keep the knee bent and knee should be in line with the feet or above feet. Look at me. Inhale up. Okay, don't do this. It should be this. You can adjust the alignment by looking backward. Once you are adjusted, then you can look between the palms and move. Exhale down. Again, move slow. And don't touch your knee on the mat when you are down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 'Go down very slow. 6. And now let's go up and hold there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move down. Very nice. Let's move from other side. Inhale up, checking the alignment. Exhale down. 1. Flow up, flow down. It's like you are coming down in 3 to 4 counts. Inhale, moving up. 3. Holding there 1 to 2 seconds. Again going up. 4. 5. 6. Now we will go up and hold there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, flow. Release and relax in child pose. Inhale, come up. Now next will be knee circles. So inhale, right knee towards the right elbow, take it up, back. When it is back, take it up and then down. It's like drawing a circle with your right knee. Inhale while going up, exhale while going down. 2, keep moving. 3, 4, 5, one last, 6. Left knee, inhale, front, up, back and down. 1, keep the knee bent. 2, 3, 4, move slow guys. 5, and 6. Very nice. Reverse circles, right leg, right knee up, out to the side, coming front towards the elbows and down. Again up, making the reverse circle with right knee. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come to the center. Let's finish with the left side also, and then we will relax. Inhale, left side up, 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 out to the side, bringing it front towards the left elbow and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's relax in child pose. Okay, come up. Now we are going to hold in Prasarita Padottanasana. So let's move to cat cow. From cat cow, tuck your toes and meet me in down dog. Okay, move slowly with baby steps towards the hands. And come front. Hold your elbows and swing side to side in ragdoll. Release the arms and roll your upper body up to Samasthiti. Very good. Let's move for Prasarita Padottanasana. This is Samasthiti, and from here take your right foot back. 4.5 feet distance between the feet according to your height, and both the feet parallel to each other. And now hands on the waist. Inhale, chest out, look up. Exhale. Keep looking on the top, keeping the chest out, maintaining the arc of the spine, hinge from your hips. Come forward. Once your upper body is parallel to the floor, place your both the hands between the feet in line with the feet. You can adjust the feet distance if you feel like so. Once you are here, inhale. Once again, look front, straighten your spine, and exhale, go down. Fingers of your feet and your hands are in one line. Outer edge of both the feet pressing on the mat, and weight is evenly distributed on heels and toes. Pushing the mat away with your hands, but on the same time taking your crown towards the mat. Be careful with the balance and stay in the pose 8 breaths. Inhale, look front, exhale, come up, hands on the waist, and now from here, join your both the hands and come to your left side. If you feel like problem in balancing, you can take support from the mat also. So come to left side, Skandasana, right toe pointing upward, keep the chest open and stay here. Close the eyes. Open, and let's move to other side. You can take help from your hand. Left toe pointing up. Okay, come to the center. Come up. Reduce the stance, toes pointing to the sides, and we are going to hold in goddess posture. You can join the palms, or other option is inhale, chest out, look front. On exhale, sink deep from your hips, keeping the knees out and back, hands up. Stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, come up and come to Samasthiti. Now from here we are moving down. Inhale, both the arms up, look up towards the thumbs, stretch your body upward. Exhale, go down, full forward fold. Inhale, straight your spine, halfway lift. Now from here, step back to plank. And once you are in plank, we are moving to Chaturanga, or you can simply lie down on the mat. Go down. This is the one alternative, and move to upward dog. Other option is, once you are here, you can simply lie down on the mat and move to cobra or upward dog. Once you are here, tuck your toes and meet me in down dog. Stay in down dog. Three breath. Cross your legs near the hands and fit in Dandasana. Now bend your knees. Arms to the front and very slowly lie down. Very slow. Very good. Adjust. Keep the knees bent and we are going to hold in bridge pose. 6 count. Longest finger should be touching the heels and feet should be little more than hip width apart. This is the starting position. Inhale, take your hips up, move slow, then middle back, then upper back, and chin is touching the chest at the end. Push your hips out, engage your glutes, feet pressing strongly on the mat. Hold here. You can interlock the fingers under your hips and push your body more out. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now release, flow in 5 counts. Release the hands. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Hug your knees. Stay here in Pavan Muktasana. You can bring your forehead towards the knees. Release. Now from here, hold your knees, keep the knees bent and massage your lower spine. Hands are just gently placed on the knees. 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Right ankle on left knee, holding in figure 4 stretch. Switch the side. Left ankle on right knee, left hand threading between the legs, right hand outside the right leg. Hold this side. Once you hold, you can close your eyes there. Release. Both the knees mat width apart. Both the fingers interlocked under the head. Drop your knees to the left. Look towards your right. Switch the side. Come to the center. And let's move to Shavasana. Stay in Shavasana next few breaths. Bring the awareness back to breath. Move your toes, wiggle your fingers, turn your head to the right, then to the left. Bring your feet together, interlock your fingers above head. Stretch your body in Supta Tadasana. Give it a nice stretch. Bend your knees. Turn to any preferable side, taking palms under the head. Taking support of the mat, come up to the seated posture. If possible, keep your eyes closed. Stay here. Both hands in Gyan Mudra. I want you to look at your body with eyes closed. Check your posture if spine is straight and head is in line with the spine. You can tilt your head little upward. Let's chant one Om to end the session. Inhale. Both the hands in Pranam Mudra. Put your head down. Be thankful to yourself for showing up on the mat today. Promise yourself to bring you on the mat every day to meet yourself and work towards your mind, body, and soul. Very gently rub your palms. Apply the heat generated on your eyes and open the eyes looking towards the floor in front of you. Namaste everyone. Thanks for joining. See you tomorrow.